Tired of juggling multiple podcast platforms? Let's cut the cord and move your podcast from Buzzsprout directly to Spotify. Then ditch Buzzsprout entirely first. Let's get your RSS feed from Buzzsprout. Hop over to your Buzzsprout dashboard. You'll typically find your RSS feed link in your episodes section, or look for a feed icon or setting. Copy that RSS feed URL, you'll need it. Now, it's on to Spotify. Log into Spotify for podcasters. You'll be greeted with a dashboard. Look to the navigation and click Get Started. Then add or claim your podcast. Here's the crucial part. Paste your Buzzsprout RSS feed you just copied into the provided field. Confirm the feed by agreeing to the terms. Spotify will send you a verification email. Open it and click the link within to confirm you own the feed. Once verified, your podcast episodes will begin migrating. Over this process can take several hours or even a day, especially if you have lots of episodes. While Spotify is importing, turn your attention back to Buzzsprout. Once you've confirmed your podcast is available on Spotify, it's time to say goodbye to Buzzsprout. To avoid double payments, go to Settings. Then navigate to the Billing or Account Settings sections. Look for the option to close or delete your account. Follow the instructions, which may involve confirming your decision and providing feedback, and that's it. You've moved your podcast and consolidated its home. Enjoy the streamlined podcasting experience.